Action movies. My favorite action movie is Jackie Chan. Next, Jet Li. Next, now there's a movie that I watched last week, last Sunday. That's my Romeo Must Die. Watch it. They are full of action. I don't like drama. I don't like give me action. Now, what is your name? Gopal? Speak, right? Mari. Mari. Are you okay? Are you sure? Can you move the straight? There you go. Remember, remember when you, if you, when I say squat, posture, so up with the neck, everything needs to work when you look in front of you. So the only thing that you need to incline to me is your eyes or your ears. I'm not interested in the rest of it. But the head needs to be up. Not like this. Look in front of you. See if there's focus in the head of the person in front of you. Okay? Then you will also see whether the girl that washed their hair or everything. So that you can easily pick up, she didn't wash her hair in front of you. As well. There we go. So you remember this. Now we are going, what we're going to do, those of you, can I say that?
Yeah.
You don't tell the pastor. It's the closest that I can go. Remember you are in this position now. So, if you, I will call you to attention all the instructors. Alright? You're standing in this position. Attention! I don't want this yet. So you left and, is it okay? So you move to 3. Is it okay? So we are in this position. Squat! You don't do it. Attention! 1! Stand up is 1! Attention! 1! Is it okay? I don't want to see this. Attention! I will help you. And I don't want to see this. Attention! Stand up is. I don't want that. You keep your posture. Remember, attention! Can you see, I don't move up. Even when I move, 2, 3. You don't rush. Is it okay? Can we try that? Yes. 1. Attention! 1. Stand up is 1. Attention! Stand up is. Attention! Stand up is. Alright? Fight with this ground. Doesn't belong to you. The church are paying. No, they don't have money. Okay?